it's B. So today I'm super excited because I'm going to be opening this cool Dora the Explorer cash register. I'm so excited and it's really cool, and it even comes with some credit cards and money and gift cards, tags, and a book. So let's open it. Yay! So now I'm going to open this here. We have money. So this is the 20s and it has Dora and Boots on the front. The 10s, but I don't know their names. If you know their names, let me know in the comments. 5 has this cute little cow, but I don't know the name. I forgot. And lastly, 1s, and I know this is Dora's little band. So then we have a credit card. We have a gift card and a savings card. Lastly, we just have some tags. Money tag, 25% off tag, our price tag, sale, 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 new, and then in Spanish, and both. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna get out the book because it does come with a cool book. Okay, so here's the book, and it's called Dora's Shopping Adventures. Okay, I got all my money, all my tags, and all my credit cards, my book, my cash register, and I'm going to bring in a couple of fun things. So our shopper today is going to be Baby Alive. Yay! So, our shopping tools today, you know what it is. You've heard it before, Shopkins! Yay! So it's season 3 and season 2, season 1, all 3 seasons, I'm pretty sure. So it's like packed in here and it's really heavy. So we're gonna be shopping for a lot of cool things today. So let's get started. So the first thing, we're gonna set out our food and every shopping thing that we need. Wow, you guys, look at all those Shopkins. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to put in some soup. The next thing I'm going to put in is some toilet paper, and everybody uses toilet paper. Coffee. A baby bottle since she's a baby. Some milk, because also she's a baby. She wants milk. Okay, so I finished picking out all my favorite Shopkins. So next thing we're going to do is open up our money. Okay, so this one's my last one. So I got 1s, 5s, 10s, and 20s. So if you're wondering what's in here, so we basically have the prices of everything. And then we have boutique, accessories, toy shop, and pet shop. So yeah. So we're going to be using this a lot. So the first thing we're going to do, Baby Alive walks in. So she's going to shop around. She has all her money here. She even has a credit card, a savings card. Nice. Okay, so I'm going to put some sales on ones first. Like the chocolate's going to be on sale. Then 20% off today is on our nightlight. And another new thing today is our bread. So she has her money. I'm gonna go shop. Ooh, 25% off on the nightlight. Nice, I wanna buy that. So she's gonna get her shopping cart, basket, put it in there. Ooh, new bread. I want that. Ooh, chocolate's on sale. I'll take that. I like mint too. I need my bottle of the week and my milk. And of course my diaper. I need some toilet paper. And that's it. Let's go pay. Hello. Hi. Turn it on.
Anna, it's time for a shopping adventure. Ready? Vamos a comprar.
Okay, let's get started. So our first thing is going to be a diaper.
$1.35. $3.90.
Yay! Milk.
$9.
See what else? Ooh, we have a moon.
$7.64. $12.35. $2.50. $3.30. $25.40.
Okay, so let's see your total.
Our total is $65.44.
I'm
Swipe
gonna.
your card for a special but large price.
So we're gonna use our savings card.
Our total is $55.44. Cash or credit?
Credit. So let's swipe our card.
Gracias. Thank you for shopping with me.
So I'm gonna put all your shoppings in here, baby alive. Okay. Have a nice day. Baby Alive is coming back for more because she got a big savings. So she thought that she could get a lot of things, maybe for 25% off. So she's coming back. Hi, I'm back. So let's see what she's going to buy this time. So let's get her shopping basket. Yada-da-da, yada-da. Ooh, I like this bag. I'll take that. It's 25% off. On sale. Ooh, I like this powder. Ooh, yummy pecan pie. Ooh, watermelon. A slipper. I've been looking for one of those. Yogurt and some alphabet soup. Tell me with my ABCs. I think I'm gonna need some extra bags. Let's bring in 2. Some soap to wash my clothes, some apples, they're healthy, fruit tart, and foil. Okay, I'm ready to pay. Oh, and also a happy birthday cake. Okay, so it's time to pay.
Anna, it's time for a shopping adventure. Ready? Vamos a comprar. $20.46. $15.99. 50 cents. $3. $4.25. $12.35. $7.40.
So total,
Our total is $111.84.
whoa!
Card for a special but large price.
So we're gonna get our savings card because that is a lot.
Our total is $96.84. Cash or credit?
Cash. So 20, 40, 60, 80.
Uno, cero, cero, $100.
So $100.
Muchas gracias. Thanks for shopping with me.
So we're gonna put her groceries in her bag. Okay, bye-bye. Bye. So, Baby Light is coming back. Yay! So she's coming back. And now she's gonna buy stuff from here. So she's basically gonna order stuff from the book. So let's see what she wants. So the first one we're going to do, bakery.
Hola, the bakery, la panadería.
Let's get,
Shop for Isa's birthday.
we're gonna get some cookies for 50 cents.
5-0.
Okay, now let's do party store. We're going,
You want to keep shopping?
yes.
Muchas gracias.
So we're gonna do party.
Hola,
Let's buy some balloons.
5-0.
Okay, now let's go to the toys.
We're at the toy store. La tienda de juguetes.
Let's buy a teddy bear.
8-0. We're at Buen Amigo Pet Shop. Let's shop for exploring in the snow.
We're going to buy a mouse.
3, 2, 5. Our total is $100. Swipe your card for a special explorer's price.
So we're going to get a savings card.
Our total is $95. Cash or credit?
Credit! So let's swipe our card. Oh, and by the way, his name's Swiper. So it's like swipe, swiper.
Gracias. Thank you for shopping with me.
Yay! So she's gonna get her stuff that she ordered in about 2 weeks. Yay! Baby life is so happy.
Muchas gracias. Thanks for shopping with me.
Well, guys, that's all for today. I had so much fun with this Dora the Explorer cash register. It had a lot of cool things with it, and I think me and Baby Alive will definitely come back, and it's so much fun. So that's all for today, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you next video, guys. Bye!